Today I have brought for you 10 lower third animation templates for Alight Motion, and in this I have also used glow effect which makes these lower thirds look a little better. But yes, if you export these lower thirds with green background, then please remove the glow effect and then export. And these lower thirds are very easy to edit. Simply import the lower third template into Alight Motion and then easily change the text, colors, icons and animations. For those who don't know, lower thirds are those graphic elements that appear at the bottom of the screen, typically displaying names, titles, or other relevant information. They're a fantastic way to add professionalism and polish to your videos. And creating animations from scratch can be time-consuming. Templates are lifesavers. They offer pre-made animations that you can easily customize to fit your needs. The download link of the XML template of lower thirds template is in the description.